Hello friend, welcome back. Many people say YouTube does not give them view, but sometimes it is not YouTube fault. It is the setting you choose. Today I will watch and talk about 5 settings that can stop your video from getting view. So let's check this together. The first one is made for kids. I would like you to go to the setting on your YouTube channel. Just follow me and do this, okay? Go to YouTube setting right here, click setting, and then go to your channel. Under your channel here, go to advanced setting. You need to click the advanced setting. Under advanced setting, you are going to see these. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content that is made for kids. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that is made for kids. And then the third one is I want to review this setting for every video. You need to select one of these. Look, if you put your video as kids, YouTube will stop many things. No comment, no notification, unless people will see it. Unless your video is for small children. Always choose no, not for kids. Set this to no, not for kids. After you're done, just simply close it. You are done for the first setting. The second phase is that altering content. If you mark it wrong, YouTube may think your video is not real and not show it much. Just keep it normal if your video is yours. Like altering content that you copy from somebody. This thing will not allow YouTube to recommend your video. So make sure do not alter any someone else's content. Okay, just simply do your video, your own video, edit it, and then upload it and set it to not made for kids. This will help YouTube to recommend your video to others. Number 3 is you need to create a playlist. If you forget to create playlist, this will happen to you. You will not have viewers. YouTube will not recommend it. And in order for you to create a playlist, this is what you can do. Okay? So go direct to your YouTube and look for this setting. You need to follow this. Under here, go to content while you are on your YouTube studio and then select all the video of your choice or any video. After you select that, then go to add playlist. You can click this add playlist. Okay, under this add playlist you can create your own playlist down here. Just click new playlist here, and then add the name of the playlist. This will allow your audience to watch your video. If you share your video inside the playlist, people can keep watching more of your videos one after another. This helps your channel grow faster. So you need to do this setting. After you put the name, which is the title, and then you scroll down here, you need to scroll down. And then visibility, you need to put it to public, not private, not unlisted. Just put it public and then create. You are done. Okay? Number 4 setting is end screen. Number 4 is end screen. Many people only put subscriber button, but it is better to put another video or playlist. This makes people stay longer and watch more from you. So instead of putting a subscribe button, you need to put an end screen. And I'm about to share with you how to put an end screen to your video. So let's go direct into our YouTube channel. Okay, this is what will happen. I'm going direct into my channel, and then I'm going to click any video of my choice here. Let me cancel this. Okay, let me click this video here. Okay, sorry. Okay, not that one. So let me click one of my video. So I haven't yet. Okay. So hold on. Okay, a little bit, wait a little bit, internet. Okay, just click one of your video. Okay, if you click it like this, we want to set up an end screen. It is very simple putting an end screen into your video. If you haven't yet already put the end screen, just watch. So here, what you do, you go to setting under your video, and then you have to scroll down here, and then you come to end screen. You click end screen, and then you set it up. You can click add element, and then you pick any of your choice. But let me first simply delete this thing, and I will show you how you can do it. Okay, now this is how you can select your end screen. So when your video ends, the YouTube will suggest another video that can be watched by your audience. So just simply click one of these. Like mine, I select this one where this base for view will be shown here, and also most recent upload will be shown here. And again, this is a subscribe button for your YouTube channel, where anybody that reach up to the end or watch the video up to the end, that person can be able to click this and subscribe to your YouTube channel. This will increase your watch time and your watch hour. So after you're done finishing this setting, what you do, you can simply save. This is one thing. Let me share with you how you can do it when you are uploading a video. We are going to upload a new video together. Okay, let's focus here. I want you to go direct into create, this part, create, and then click upload video, this one. Just click upload, and then select files. Okay, under this file, you will go direct into videos, and then go to the video that you want to upload. Let's take this one. Okay, let's just simply take this. Okay, because okay, or don't give up. Let me take this one. Don't give up. Okay, now let's see how we can set it up. Okay, after this is what will happen. You need to scroll down here, and then you need to put your video to no, it is not made for kids. Like I already showed you this part before, but you can still do. And then go to video element. This is video element. After putting title, description, and then you go to video element, and then under video element here, you come to add an end screen. This is what you can do. Click add end screen, click this one, and then you can select what kind of end screen you want to show on your video. Okay, so do this. Alright, we are going to select one of these one. You can take these two video, then click that. After you finish, then click save. Now you've seen it, we already saved it. And then you go to visibility. Next move is to add it to public, and then set as instant premiere. So this is one of the settings that you can follow, and it will help you. So the last setting is to add cards on your video, and adding card is very simple. I will show you also to the same video that we are uploading. So do this. Under details, go to video element again. Under video elements, you are going to see add cards here. You see this? This is add cards. Then just simply click add, this one, add, and then you can click video or playlist or channel. Let me simply click playlist here. Then you can take one of these. You can see this is the add card. You can add as many as you want, because later on when someone is watching your video, it will suggest it to them. Okay, it will suggest your video. You can put 3 or 4 depending on how you want it. So let me simply click this. Okay, now you can see when you are done, you click save. Okay, now we already save our setting. So these 5 steps are very important for your YouTube channel. So friend, these are 5 simple settings that can stop your video from growing if you use them wrongly. So go check your channel and fix them today. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.